I want to hear from a couple, a king or a queen, and what their favorite activity to do is. And if you know your king and your queen, and you don't know one thing that they love to do from their life, why don't you? And why haven't you connected with them yet to find out? I'm not saying you need to learn all 28 of your kids. I'm saying you need to figure out the top two, because that's the only way you're going to get them to flip over to choosing to follow directions. Does that make sense? So pick a king, alpha boy, alpha girl, and like, what's their favorite activity to talk about? What don't they shut up about? Ready, set, go. What's that? Play-Doh. How old's your kid? Okay, and they love doing Play-Doh. Okay, so now I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, because some people are making up stories about shouldn't do this, shouldn't do blah, 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 blah. But sixth grade is what, 11 years old? Okay, so 10 years go by, they become a master of Play-Doh. What could they be doing? Not just Play-Doh, but any sort of dough, or any sort of, or anything building with their hands, tactile, whatever. What could they be doing in 10 years? Okay, what else? Sculptor, what else could they be doing in 10 years? Construction, what else could they be doing in 10 years? Architect, I mean, it's limitless. What's that? You can make, hey, listen, why not? I mean, here's the deal. Life is about being happy. If your commitment in life is to make pizzas, and you do that from age 20 to age 60, and you love it, and you create a family, and you have this crazy concept called family dinner every night, while other people are driving themselves in crazy money, this and that, and blah, 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 all over the place. It's nuts. My girlfriend's a nanny. She loves her job. The two people she nannies for, one is some like financial VP of something, making $1 million plus a year. The other one is a pharmaceutical rep selling garbage and Botox to people that have low self-esteem issues. And they're never around their kids at all. And literally, I mean, if you watch them behave, my girlfriend's the mom, and they're the other two. They're the providers / DNA donors. That's it.